We're asked to differentiate this question, and we can see that we have two terms. So we have, let's call this f of x and h of x. So when we see this, we're going to need to use the quotient rule. Now also, we have an inside and outside term on the denominator, so we need to use the chain rule. So first of all, let's write out our functions and the derivatives. So we have f of x, this is 8x, and let's say h of x, this is x cubed plus 1 squared. Now the derivative, so if I take the derivative of f, this is going to be equal to 8. And if I take the derivative of h, I'm going to need to apply the chain rule and the power rule. So we have 2, so our 2 in front, this is our power rule, so we have x cubed plus 1 minus 1 of the power, so this is just the power 1. Then we need to multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is going to be 3x squared. So now I'm going to write out the quotient rule. So the quotient rule, this is going to be, so we want our function of g prime of x. So this is going to be f prime of x multiplied by h of x minus our f of x multiplied by h prime of x, all divided by h of x, all squared. So let's put in our values. So f of x, f prime of x, sorry, is 8 multiplied by h of x, which is x cubed plus 1 all squared. And this is minus f of x, which is 8x. And h prime of x is going to be multiplied by 2x cubed plus 1, 3x squared. And this is all divided by x cubed plus 1 squared, all squared. Okay, so we need to simplify. So let's have a look what we have. So I'm going to multiply out our terms first. So we have 8x cubed plus 1 squared. And then I am going to simplify. So we've got 8x multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3x squared. So this will be 16 times 3. So that's going to be minus 48x cubed. And this is multiplied by x cubed plus 1. And this is all divided by x cubed plus 1 to the power of 4 if we multiply our powers. So again, let's see what we can do. So we're going to factor. So we're going to factor our terms. So let's do that. So if we factor, we're going to factor by x cubed plus 1. So on the numerator, that will be, we'll have 8 multiplied by 8 cubed plus 1 minus 48x cubed. And then if we factor the denominator, x cubed plus 1 multiplied by x cubed plus 1 to the power of 3. So our x cubed plus 1 will cancel. So now I'm going to simplify. I'm going to distribute by the 8. So 8x cubed plus 8 minus 48x cubed. And this is divided by x cubed plus 1 to the power of 3. So the final step, we're just going to simplify this further. So I'll like Tim, so I have 8x and I have minus x cubed. So this is going to be, I'm left with 8. 8 minus 48 is minus 40, so minus 40x cubed divided by x cubed plus 1, all to the power of 3. And this is the final answer.